we got a new project going on the truck today. We're rebuilding this trailer hitch right here so I can pull the camper. I'm going to be putting a new hitch here. Beef it up a little.
That's the best weld there.
Not too bad, not too bad. What's the plan? That hitch going on there?
Yeah. That's next.
That certainly is heavy duty. 4-inch square stock, 1/4-inch steel probably. So we got the hitch off. That was a pain in the ass. Just cleaning up some contact points for when we weld on the new hitch. Just getting some improvements made.
Huh?
Anyways, it's up there. Tacked and ready to go.
This sort of fits, man. Yeah. Definitely fits.
I need a drink.
You're taking a piss.
Yeah, fuck.
I want to apologize in advance for about what you're I want to apologize in advance for what you're about to see. The traffic cone, aka Boone, is cleaning out his bedroom today. And as you can tell, he found an old costume from Halloween.
No! Alright. I can't do this thing.
What the Hey, I tell you, I dare you to ride that thing that you Dizzy's bringing up here with that fucking thing on, man.
It'll be fun.
Maybe I can. Can I try?
Now,
Yeah, I'm not gonna try.
this thing was pretty baggy on him when he first got it. Freak's
Dude, this is
sakes.
so tight. Oh, it hurts.
How's the bullets?
Oh yeah, it's good. Oh no, I forgot.
We saw your ass on that one. And the kicker is I'm gonna put it on slow motion and put arrows and fucking, yeah, man.
There we go, that's better. I can't bend it. These pounds. Let me try it again. Thanks for watching!
Like I said, I apologize for that. The kid took the challenge anyway. Told him I was going to throw it up on my channel. He says, go for it.